The number on your screen is $2 trillion. It did not exist before. No factory made it. No one worked for it. It was just created. No alarm, no big news, just a simple message. We are helping the economy. Sounds normal, right? But something important just happened. New money was created, not as cash, just numbers on a screen. And this money does not come to you first. It never does. It goes to banks first, then to big companies, then to rich investors. You are last. By the time it reaches you, everything is already more expensive. Food costs more, fuel costs more, rent goes up. You feel it, but you don't know why. This is not random. Money does not spread equally. It flows in a direction from the top to the bottom, and you are at the bottom. Banks now have more money, so they give more loans. Companies borrow more, investors invest more, and prices start rising. Stocks go up, houses go up, but your salary, it stays the same. Now you feel something strange. You are working the same, maybe even harder, but it feels like less, like something is off. You are right, something is off. This looks like growth, but it is not real growth. It is just easy money moving around. When money is easy to get, people take more risks. Companies spend more. Investors chase quick profits. Everything looks good on the outside, but inside it is weak. The system gets used to this. Every time something slows down, they create more money again and again. It works at first, but each time it becomes harder to stop, because if they stop, problems start to show. Weak companies fail. Prices fall. Markets panic. So they keep going. More money, more loans, more risk. Now something else happens. The gap grows. Rich people get richer faster because they get the money first. They buy assets early, and when prices go up, they gain more. You get the money late, after prices have already increased, so you keep falling behind. Slowly, quietly. Now inflation becomes real. Not numbers, not theory, real life. Everything becomes expensive. Now they try to fix it. They increase interest rates. They try to slow things down. But this creates another problem. Loans become expensive. Businesses slow down. Markets get scared. Something breaks. Maybe a bank, maybe a company, maybe a market. It is never the same place, but the pattern is always the same. Too much money, too much risk. People lose confidence, and confidence is everything. Now people start pulling back. They stop spending. They stop investing. Money disappears fast, faster than it was created. Now the system feels pressure. So what do? They step in again. More support, more money. The cycle repeats. But this time, people trust it less. Each time it works less. Now people start asking a bigger question. What is money really worth? If it can be created so easily, what does it actually mean? Slowly, trust goes down. Then suddenly, it drops fast. People move their money to other things, gold, land, anything that feels safe. The currency becomes weaker. Imports become expensive. Prices rise even faster. Now inflation feeds itself. At this point, things are no longer under control. Prices change quickly, sometimes every day. Saving money feels useless. Planning becomes hard. The system tries to fix it, but without trust, nothing works. Sometimes a new system comes, new rules, sometimes even a new currency. The old one fades away, slowly but surely, and somewhere right now, this is starting again. Money is being created, quietly, no noise, no warning. Some people will benefit first. Most people will feel it later, in prices, in pressure, in daily life. You might think this is about money, but it is not. It is about who gets it first, who understands it early, and who is left behind. The system does not break suddenly. It changes slowly. Then one day it resets and starts again.